Hello everyone, this is John Carrier, customer support at Putzmeister America, here at World of Concrete 2022 to unveil our brand new Ergonic 3 system. So what we have for this year is our brand new Ergonic 3 remote with our new HMI human interface. We have very simplified menus. Our banner screen on the top of the remote is static. It's always there. No need to constantly go back to your banner screen. Each individual menu is so simplified they only have 3 options. Each individual menu also has one sub-menu. These are where your lesser used items are contained. Some of the big changes for the remote is we have our quick access keys. Some of your more used items are located here in a push button with no need to navigate through the screen at all. We've also moved the pump on, pump forward, pump reverse option to here and changed it to a toggle switch. It allows the operator not have to take his eyes off of the job and feel where his switch is to be able to turn it on and off. So one of the big changes for Ergonic 3 now is our fault management and the interface between the operator and the remote. What we used to do is symbols. We used to give the operator a symbol. They were not very clear. Now what we do is we give the operator a physical description of what's wrong. So on his remote he will get a fault. He'll get a yellow fault, or he could get a red fault. Of course, a red fault is a very serious fault with a detailed description of exactly what is wrong with the truck. If the operator will then come to his panel, he can go to the same menu that he has on his remote, the same operation. He can go to his fault screen. Now he will get a detailed message of what is exactly wrong. He will get a flag on the truck showing him exactly where the fault is, and then a detailed message of how to fix that. In the future, this will also be accompanied by a picture of the failed part, as well as a QR code that he can scan with his phone that will then take him to the Putzmeister Experts app and give him videos and instructions and detailed pictures of how to fix that issue. There's no more need for a laptop. All the parameterization, all of the changes that need to be done, all of the parts that need to be replaced and addressed can all be done through the screen. Boom speeds, can components, everything can now be done through the screen by the owner or the operator. In these menus you can get all the feedback from the truck, such as pressures, output, temperatures, all of those things inside this screen. So now we're at the rear of the truck, and once again for Ergonic 3 the focus is really air management. So the changes at the rear of the truck, now we have full hydraulic control in case of an emergency. We have our hand lever for our core pump. Now we've also added a hand lever for our S2. So in case of an emergency or full electrical failure, now we have 100% hydraulic control to get the pump cleaned out. Another one of the changes too is we have also relocated the RFID hopper grate switch to the rear of the hopper to get it out of harm's way. We also have a new and updated emergency stroke change harness that allows you to hook up to the valve bank just like you normally did. But now for Ergo 3, you're able to also bypass running the plugs and go directly into the control cabinet and run the pump kit and the S2 from a remote pendant. Here we are on the driver's side of the truck. Some of the big changes for this side is we now, for emergency operation, have gone back to hand levers on the boom control valve. So in case of emergency, you can run the boom full hydraulic from here. Another one of the big changes that we have now for Ergonic 3 is our converter system. We have gone away from our analog converter system and we have gone to a full digital converter system. What that allows us to do is now we have built-in voltage regulation. So we don't have to worry about sending too much current to the back half of the truck and damaging components. This is a very nice change and very happy to have hand levers back on the truck. That does it for the tour of our brand new Ergonic 3 truck. Again, my name is John Carrier with Putzmeister America.